A very good day to all my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. It's a well-known fact that greens are very nutritious and we should include them in our diet regularly. And amaranth greens top the list. So today we are going to make red amaranth greens along with the lentils. You can prepare them in many different ways without the lentils also, but today's recipe is with chana dal. So let's prepare this amaranth leaves with chana dal. It's a dry sabzi and you can enjoy it with rotis. So shall we proceed? Red amaranth leaves curry. Lal Maath ki sabzi. Amaranth leaves are much superior to most greens because they are a powerhouse of nutrients. Hence, they are considered as heart-healthy food. For this, we'll take red amaranth greens, 1 bunch. Wash the leaves very well, changing water several times and chop them up. 1 tomato, cut into pieces. Onion, 1 large, chopped. Chana dal, soaked and parboiled. Here we have spices, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chilli powder 1/2 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon and salt to taste. And these are the tempering ingredients: hing, asafoetida 2-3 pinches, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1/2 teaspoon, dry red chillies 2. Then we have grated coconut 2 tablespoons, lemon 1, we'll be using half, or you can even use amchur powder instead if you don't have lemon. Garlic 1 tablespoon. Oil 3 to 4 tablespoons. List is also shared in the description box, you can check it out. Now let's start cooking. Heat oil in a pan. Once it is hot, add the tempering ingredients. Allow them to crackle. Once this is done, add the crushed garlic. Toss it until it changes color. Then add the onions. Saute them until they are translucent. In between, open and stir them couple of times. Now add the tomato. Allow it to cook. Once the tomato is soft, we are going to add the spices and the salt. Stir them together. Add the parboiled chana dal. This is 3/4 done. The reason for adding boiled chana dal is the greens don't take long time to cook, hardly 1 or 2 minutes. Now add the red amaranth greens. You can use the tender stems also, don't discard them. Cover and cook on medium flame. After some time you keep stirring it so that all the spices and everything get incorporated. We only have to cook until the moisture is dried up. Cook on low flame. After 1 minute again stir it. You see, it's almost done. Check the salt and squeeze out the lemon juice. Half a lemon will do. Or else, as I mentioned, you can also add amchur powder, dry mango powder. Finally, add the grated coconut. Give it a stir and just cook it little more until it's dried up. It hardly takes 3 to 4 minutes. Delicious red amaranth leaves curry or sabzi is ready. This is paired very well with rotis and bhakris. I have served it with jowar fulkas. They are very thin and nice. Check out the recipe. I have shared the link in the description box how to make them. Thank you for watching, and check out these videos from the archives as well. You might like them too. Bye until next.